This video focuses on protecting your lathe components from debris by adding custom covers. To make these, you'll need a 3D printer capable of printing with TPU. When printing the covers, it's essential to use materials that can withstand potential impacts without shattering or breaking apart, thus preventing safety hazards. For this purpose, TPU is an excellent choice due to its flexibility and durability. To ensure optimal results, we recommend using settings such as layer heights of 0.2 millimeters, infill densities of above 15%, and minimum wall counts of at least 3. Now that you have your printed covers ready, it's time to install them in the correct order. We're first going to attach the thread cover, followed by the side covers, then the back plate cover. Let's dive into the specifics of each. The thread cover is designed to stretch slightly around the cross slider and can be secured using the 2 inset components that will keep it in place. Next up are the side covers. They're designed to slide in smoothly into position, but there's a catch. If you've already installed the thread cover, these covers only fit in one direction while the thread cover is installed. To make installation easier on the left, you will need to remove the drive belt cover temporarily and bend it slightly before sliding it into place. The T-slot covers are designed for easy insertion. Simply push them in. If needed, adjust their length directly within your slicer or cut them down to size. For maximum coverage, consider grouping multiple pieces together. Last but not least is the back plate cover. Although this component will fit snugly with nothing more than the T-slot for support, it might require a bit of effort to slide into place. One helpful trick is to pinch the tip that connects within the extrusion first, then push it into its entirety. With all these covers installed and secured correctly, you'll have an additional layer of protection against debris. As always, the STL files and the PDF guide will be available in the description below.